Hi. So, Wendy, what do you have there? What do you have? What are those, Wendy? Yeah, good girl. And this is a dog. How do you say? Yeah. What does a dog say? Wendy, what does a dog say? No. Yeah. Wendy, what does a bear say? No. What does a bear say? What does a bear say? Okay, come here. That's what a cow says, honey. What does a cow say? Yeah. So what does a bear say? Wendy. What does a bear say? What does a bear say? You're not really doing a good job of performing for the camera. Wendy, do you know how to brush your teeth? Wait, show me again. How do you brush your teeth? Well, you're busy. I'll ask you again later.